Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773 and my alliance is White Wolves. So today's Christmas celebration is started and we can see it's named as Christmas celebration, but it's New Year celebration. Maybe it's a glitch in Christmas celebrations event was before, but right now it's New Year celebration. So let's click on this, and when you go to New Year mega deals, you will find some items to bargain and you can get them free. So as you can see, I got a tree by bargaining and with help of my server mates and alliance mates. So how can you get these items free? I'm gonna tell you how to bargain in here. Okay, so first choose the item. As I selected first this, you can select any one of these and just you need to click on like if I need uh, an avatar frame. So this is like huge amount, so it won't be free, but for example I will show you. You can get like this or this and this for free, one of them maybe, but this is just difficult. You need to pay the extra amount, but we'll try. Okay, so you just need to click on this token and then click on the share for help, and you can send it to the world or you can send it to your alliance. Okay, so let's wait for next share, and we can see it in our world chat. Like you can see, I need help with bargaining uh, with rewards for successful helpers. Thanks. Okay, so they can also get free rewards for helping this. Okay, I also got many rewards like bargaining. So let's wait for some time, and if we get help from them, we can get that item with discounted price or free also. Okay, so let's check if we can get other items free. So we have to wait for next 2 minutes for this. So let's wait. I will skip the video. Like you can see, we got some messages in here that someone has helped us. You can see I have successfully bargained down 92 for you. Lovely, isn't it? I'd appreciate if you could do the same for me. So you can also help them if they help you. Okay, so this message will arrive on your private message. So you can see we got 50 more points slashed down. So as you can see, there is a new price in here, and we got 200 points less or discounted. Now you can buy for 800, and you can try these items for free because they are at low prices. So I will try after 54 seconds, but you can get these or this for discounted prices or also for free. So you can buy this tree because it's super useful. It adds almost 91k power in your base. So you can see I got this tree for free. So I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.